Room 1. Nice kaayo ang room. So, iyang style is minimalist, brutalist. Ayan among gamit, pasensya, huwag kayo. Nice kayo lang bed, pang tropical. And this is our view. Imagine ang view na mo in the morning kani. It's so nice. So, yeah, kubot kayo. This is their toilet and bath. Like, minimalist kayo, nice kayo, pang Instagram kayo. So guys, try na mo dire sa Zaruchi. Try to inquire, try to book, and this place is highly recommended by